JavaScript window and window location, and we've already looked at the DOM and the DOM styling and all that. So this, we're gonna concentrate on JavaScript dialog boxes. So let's get started. So in here we will start with alert pop-up first. So we'll do alert pop-up, and for the alert pop-up box we will do a simple example, like let's say we have a message, a variable message, and then we assign it to a text. Let's say hi there, and we say click OK to continue. So very simple here. And then we can do a simple alert dialog box using the alert. Then we have message here. Okay, so when we check this in the browser, we should get alert hi there, click on OK to continue. That is a simple alert dialog box that we've already done in some of the videos. So we could have another alert, and without using a variable, so we can simply have this alert here inside, straightforward here like this, and this should work perfectly to just like what we have here. So if I comment that and that should also work for us, almost the same. So this is how we create alert with a pop-up box. But what if we want to create a confirm pop-up box? So let's say a confirm pop-up box. So for example, we still have this same example we got here, and here we'll have our confirm here at this side, and then we'll have a closing end right here. Okay, then I delete one of this. Okay, so we have message, but this time we have confirm something in here. Let me write something meaningful. Are you sure? Okay, so we have are you sure in there. Then we're going to perform a simple logic. So anytime you confirm something, print. So we will say if message, the message variable we have there, if the message is clicked, then we should print something to the user. So document right, and then we have this in here. You clicked OK. Next, let's look at else. We have the same thing in there in the X, but we can change it a little bit. You clicked cancel. Yeah, just like this. So we check on the screen. So we have this page says are you sure? Oh, are you sure? Cancel. You clicked cancel button, right? So let's reload again, and I click OK. You clicked OK. So this is a simple confirm pop-up box where you have are you sure? If you click yes, I'm sure, which is the confirm OK, then it will tell you you clicked OK. If you click on cancel, then it's gonna show you clicked the cancel button. So this is easy way of manipulating and then using dialog boxes in JavaScript. What about if we want to create a prompt pop-up box? not confirm, but this time around it's gonna be a prompt. Prompt pop-up box. For prompt pop-up box, let's say we have what's your name here. Instead to use message, let's make it more meaningful by using name here, and then we have name here. Okay, then here I will change the logic here. So we'll say name dot length length here, and if name dot length is greater than 0 and name is not equal to now, means if it is not empty, then print document dot hi. Let's add something like hi here, or hello, then we'll add what's name. Okay, then if it's not, it does not meet this. If it meets this shows. If it does not meet this, the else shows. Like the logic does not meet, then this one shows. So if it does not meet, let's say anonymous. Okay, so let's test it on the screen. So we said, what's your name? Oh, we went to strictly anonymous. Okay, cancel. Then we say awesome. So let me see, we were still using the confirm here. We need to use the prompt. So prompt, and the prompt have to show something here. Exactly. So let's say we type in Peter here, and we say okay, we say hello Peter. So that is what we're trying to display here. So we'll say hello Peter. If we want a space in here, we need to concatenate this and then use double quote in here. Okay, then we'll get some space in there. Okay, so let's type Peter again, and then we click OK. So we say hello Peter. Okay, so we have hello Peter here. Then let's say we want to just cancel okay, so far as we didn't have any name inside. Okay, anonymous come, but if we have any name here, then it prints the name hello John. Okay, so this is a simple way of using dialog boxes in JavaScript.